As students head back to class, some schools have already flunked their first test on safety. In Cherokee County, Georgia, one high school is closing through at least the end of the month after 6 days of school and 59 confirmed cases of COVID-19. Now, more than 900 students and staff are in quarantine. The district, which opened last week with a mandatory mask policy for adults, but none for students, says it anticipated positive tests, which is why we put a system into place to quickly contact trace and mandate quarantines. Another Georgia high school with an optional mask policy also stopped in-person learning after 9 positive cases.
I just felt like our kids are being used as guinea pigs, and it's a little enraging when you think about it that way.
Concerns about reopening are widespread. With more schools in Florida reopening their doors, new numbers from the state's Department of Health. COVID-19 cases for kids 17 and under jumping more than 130% in the last month.
For some reason, they think school's a magical place and we don't need to be 6 feet apart.
This Florida high school teacher, Eric Rodriguez, is concerned about safety in Suwannee County schools.
They were not going to require masks. They didn't want us to be the mask police, but they'll have us police other items of dress code.
The superintendent there says masks are encouraged and available, but not mandated, which is the way it should be in the USA. Adding, the district had a great first day, and the policy was always to space as space allows. But getting enough space is an obstacle, especially in places like New York City, where Samantha Daves teaches public high school with more than 3,000 students. She says the city's reopening plan doesn't go far enough.
There are issues that are above the school level that need to be solved, such as testing and a quick turnaround time on testing that the school as its own unit can't fix.
And time to address those concerns is running out. Sam Brock, NBC News, Jacksonville.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.